Hello? No! No! You're not allowed in here. No, you're not allowed in here. You know this. Don't laugh at me. You're not allowed in here and you know it. No. Does the good girl want a shower? Stella, you having a good time? Good girl? Are you enjoying your shower? You look so peaceful. Did you have a nice shower? We're all done. You're so spiky. You
gotta hold on to this part. I know that you want a drink, but you gotta turn it on first. You gotta turn it on. Remember? Now move. See? Yeah, that one. You gotta look what you're doing, baby. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, you gotta push it over. This part goes that way.
Are you happy? Yes, you're so happy. After you completely ruined my life. Hey! Yes, you did it.
Tink on it.
Hello. Hi.
I was in the middle of feeding. I had to go get my phone. The crows left us a present today in the form of money. I knew this was possible, but I never expected it. Hold on, let me get up. It's a dime and what appears to be a euro. I don't know where they found a euro in Virginia, but this is like the coolest present they've ever left and definitely the coolest thing that's probably ever happened to me.
Today, I am going to teach Annie to fly and hunt so she can survive in the wild. Quick breakfast. First,
Annie,
small leaps.
You can do it. Oh, nice.
A bit longer.
Test number 2. Let's see. Go, Annie. You did it. You landed on a branch. Yeah.
The longest
Annie.
flight yet.
Fly over there, okay? Go. Oh, nice.
Now time to get some worms for hunting. Found one. She doesn't seem too interested. But we'll keep at it. Until next time.
Annoying. Oh, now you come. Thank you. Thank you for landing right there. That's exactly where I wanted you.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
How to impress a non-guitarist. How to impress a beginner guitarist. How to impress an intermediate guitarist. How to impress an advanced guitarist.
Nice. Here you go. Nice. Nice job, girl.
Go get her. Are you getting in the bag? What's in that bag?
Excuse me? What was that for? Nasty boy, come here. You being nasty?
Did you see him hop?
He looks like a turkey vulture running over there.
Did you get him doing it?
Yeah.
Oh.
He loves that bag.
Oh.
Come here. Come here, you brat. Come here. Okay.